How to clear Apple Music cache. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache in Apple Music. This is to free up space and fix the app glitches. So let's get right into it. The easiest way to clear Apple Music cache is offload the app. For this, head over to your settings. After that, tap on General and then go to the iPhone storage. Once you are on iPhone storage, head over to your app list. Tap on Show All and then find your Apple Music. Once you have found, tap on it and you will see the option of Offload App. Tap on it and then confirm on Offload App again. Once that is done, you will see the option of Reinstall App. Tap on the button and it will take a while to reinstall the app. Once this is done, this will clear the cache files while keeping your downloaded music and preferences intact. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.